In this video, you'll learn how to fix the Claude Code SSL error on Windows. By following this guide, you will be able to diagnose and resolve SSL issues effectively using PowerShell and other tools available on your system. Begin by opening PowerShell on your Windows machine. You can do this by searching for PowerShell in the Start menu. Once it appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator to ensure you have the necessary permissions. In the PowerShell window, type the command claude-debug and press enter. This command will help you determine if the problem is indeed related to SSL. If you see output that includes terms like cert underscore SSL UNABOR underscore to underscore signed or FRO signed or FRO CFSL related, and you should proceed to the next phase. If the output does not include any of those terms, then the issue is not related to SSL and further troubleshooting may be required. For those who confirmed it is an SSL issue, the next step is to repair Windows root certificates, which can often be outdated, especially on Windows 10 or 11. Return to PowerShell and run the commands certitil-generate sesd from wcroots.sesd. This command will generate a new root certificate file. After running it, navigate to the location croots.sss in File Explorer. Open this file and you will see an option labeled Install Certificate. Click on it, then choose Local Machine and select to place the certificate in Trusted Root Certification Authorities. Complete the installation by following the prompts and then restart your computer. After the restart, test if the SSL error is resolved by running the command Claude again in PowerShell. If the issue is fixed, it indicates that your Windows Trust Store was outdated and has now been updated. If the problem persists, the next phase involves ensuring that node.js respects the Windows Certificate Store. In PowerShell, run the command sets node_options, use open since char. This command sets an environment variable that directs node.js to use the Windows Certificate Authority. After executing this command, close the current PowerShell window and open a new one to apply the changes. Test again by running Claude. If you are still encountering SSL issues, the next step is to check for network interception, which is common with certain ISPs or office networks in PowerShell. Run the command curl https://api.anthropic.com-vver. Observe the output carefully. If you see a certificate issuer that is not one of the recognized authorities like Amazon, DigiCert, or GlobalSign, this indicates your HTTPS traffic may be intercepted. To troubleshoot this, you have a couple of options. For a home network, try restarting your router or switching to a mobile hotspot. After switching, run the test again. If it works on the hotspot, it confirms that your ISP or router is injecting SSL. Alternatively, if you suspect your antivirus software, check its settings and disable HTTPS scanning, as this feature can often interfere with SSL connections. Should the problem still not be resolved, the next step is to reset the WinHTTP proxy settings. In PowerShell, check your current proxy settings by running netswin HTTP proxy. If the output does not indicate direct access, you will need to reset the proxy. To do this, enter the command netswin HTTP reset proxy and press enter. After resetting the proxy, restart PowerShell. Following this, check the version of node.js installed on your machine by running node-v. If your version is below v18, it is crucial to upgrade it immediately by downloading the latest version from the official node.js website. Once upgraded, run the command sets node_options, use open sets are applied, and then restart your terminal. If you have tried all previous steps and the SSL error persists, a more drastic approach may be necessary. This is the nuclear reset phase. Begin by uninstalling node.js from the control panel. After the uninstallation is complete, manually delete the following directories: C program files, no-dash, C users, your name, app data, roaming pem, app data, roaming pem cache. Make sure to replace your name with your actual username. Once these files are removed, reinstall the latest long-term support version of node.js. After the installation, reinstall Claude using the command npm install-g Anthropic/Claude Code. This comprehensive reset should resolve any lingering SSL issues. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.